Hi, Danny here from GDL Automotive. Today we've got a little problem that a lot of people are coming across with the Jeep Grand Cherokees. I hear it's a problem across the Chrysler range as well, although I've never experienced that, is the interior lights staying on in your Jeep. It's a pretty easy fix. A lot of people think that it's a problem with the door switch. It's not. The issue is if you've got your controls here, you'll have to pass me the camera for a sec. Your controls down here for the dash light dimming setting, if you go all the way to the top, the courtesy light stays on. So you need to scroll that back down. But the other thing that is tricking a few people is you've got a switch here for turning that light on, and you've got a switch here for turning that one on at the bottom. I'll do it on the other side. So you've got to make sure before you start playing with the dimming switch that you've got everything off, and then the dimming switch. Obviously, if you leave all that on, you're going to drain your battery overnight, and then you're in for a world of pain because the battery's underneath the seat and they're expensive. That'll do.